हम लोग सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग का मजा ले रहे हैं।
वही मैं भी सोच रही थी।
रोड पे जाइए ना, देखिए
हटे। अब इसको देखिए, ये फोकस करना हम लोगों को।
ये पकड़िए नीचे कर दिए इसको किया है।
केक भी आया, आदमी का मुंह भी ऐसा बना चाहिए।
दोनों तो नहीं आएगा, एक बार नीचे करिए फिर पकड़िए पहुंच जाएगा तो।
हाँ, जब पड़ जाएगा तब फिर आप करिएगा। फोटो खींच के इसको लगाएं काम पे क्या?
ना तो ये रिकॉर्डिंग ऑप्शन ये बाकी है और कर दिया
साउंड
इसका साउंड या
साउंड इधर है,
साउंड वहाँ पर है।
ये हम लोग का साउंड नहीं पकड़ रहा होगा।
साउंड आएगा तो क्या है, वो हट जाएगा।
वो हट ही जाएगा।
एडिट में हट जाएगा।
म्यूजिक चला दीजिएगा वहाँ।
हाँ सर।
हम खुद बैठ के एडिटिंग करेंगे। ऑन है ना?
हाँ
अब लीजिए फोटो। अच्छा, फोटो कोई अमन फोटो खींचे बाबू, दे दीजिए, अपना ही मोबाइल में खींच रहे ना। हाँ तो दीजिए। काटते हुए फोटो खींचना जरूरी है, सबको दिखना चाहिए हम लोग ये किया। और फिर आप धीरे से आके खड़े हो जाइएगा। काटे आ रहा है, ठीक है। इवेंट का कटवा रहा सब इधर पे। काटे भाई। देखिएगा फोटो में। चलिए क्लास करिए आप। चलिए भाई, हैं? देखिए। हाँ नहीं आप पहले खाइए ना। डन।
फोटो नीचे से टाइप होती है, ऊपर से नीचे।
चलिए। एक सेकंड के रिकॉर्डिंग ऑफ करिए। ऑफ कहाँ है? ऑन है।
वैसे क्या दिक्कत है, वो कट जाएगा।
Good morning to all. Today we are gathered here to celebrate 15th anniversary of this institution. Let me introduce myself. I am Nisha here in front of you. I have recently completed my graduation. I am from Pakri Chowk, Ara, Bihar. First of all, I would like to thank sir because he gave me the opportunity to stand in front of you. I am very, very proud to be standing alongside of you. It gives us immense pleasure. Welcome you all. It is indeed a pleasant day where we all are soaked in the celebration mood. A big thanks to each and everyone present here for providing this enthusiasm and spirit of togetherness. Without wasting of your time, I would like to invite the director of our institute. Please come on the podium and lamp the light on. So, I would like to invite Mr. Ashish sir. Please come on the podium and say a few lines.
Is my podium coming? प्रचार सबसे जरूरी चीज है। Thanks Nisha for inviting me. And before starting, I would like to convey my heartiest thanks to Shoaib sir, to A.K. Rai sir, to one of our favorite Vijay sir. If you don't mind sir, please take the seat. And to my beloved students who dared and mustered courage to come over here in the wake of this deadly pandemic disease of coronavirus or COVID-19. Unfortunately, for last 3 months, we have not been having a good time in our society because of the threat to live among the quarantined people, the isolated people, and us as well, because somehow or the other we are affected directly or indirectly. So because of that, we have not been running our institution for last 3 months, because Honorable Prime Minister of India and the Honorable Chief Minister of India has instructed us to be inside home, and there is a slogan trending these days: stay home, stay safe. But when we got to know that our city, especially I am talking about, it is completely free from this deadly virus now, so I decided to organize a little function with 4 to 5 students of us to mark this occasion, because this is definitely a achievement day for me. I always find this day very close to my heart, because when I was a small one, or I must say when I was a young one, I had got too much of excitement, fervor, zeal and enthusiasm in me, that without thinking a second time, I thought that I should start this institution on the day 1st June 2006. Yes, that was the remarkable day in my life when I took the decision to open this institution along with 3 of other my members, or other I must say partners of this institution. Unfortunately, the time was not right at the moment, and we got separated, and they left all the responsibilities on my shoulders. And moving ahead and taking a step forward, I decided that I should run this institution. Guys, let me assure you that our institution has regularly achieved milestones day by day, month by month and year by year. Each and every year, we provided many new things, many new ideas, many new concepts, many provisions and specialities, some essential things, amenities to the students, and we set parameters, a standard parameter in the guidelines of spoken English training centers, especially of our state, in our state. I'm talking about our state. Before few years, there were so many institutions, but right now it's no institution, only us. Means only Fluency Group or Fluency family is teaching spoken English to the students of Bhojpur district, Buxar district, Rohtas district and to some extent Patna district as well. This was not possible unless and until I found the support like you guys, the support of students, the support of such dignitaries who are sitting amongst you. They are the ones who regularly support me, guide me, motivate me, and always tells me what are the right steps to be taken, what are the wrong steps should be avoided. As you know that in this last 3 months, I have not been in service of you offline, but because of these guys, because of these dignitaries sitting amongst you, they actually showed me the path to go online, and courtesy goes to them that I have decided to teach online now, and my YouTube channels, Fluency Spoken English and English with Ashish Kumar, is at your service. And I promise you one thing, that after this lockdown, obviously the things will remain normal one day, and maybe after 2 months, maybe after 6 months, maybe after 1 year, we'll also be living our life in normalcy and everything will be normal. So at that time, I'll be trying to give you maximum power of knowledge so that you guys can nurture in your upcoming future and future endeavors. इस पर clap बनता है. So this is my effort for last 15 years, and I have been continuing towards my efforts for the betterment of the students of ARA. We have not been charging you very much amount so that you guys can found itself very difficult to go through it. And those, I take the privilege to welcome or to thank all those my beneficiaries or my benevolents who regularly guided me, motivated me, helped me, blessed me and blessed our institution so that our institution can move up to the pinnacle. A big thanks at bottom of heart, from my bottom of heart, I would like to thank them and I convey my gratitude towards them. This day, every year I take some pledge and I promise something special to the students, and every year I take new steps. Let me tell you that when I started this institution in 2006, we moved on in 2008-9 and we started new thing, like we started group discussions, we started giving grammar classes. Earlier we didn't used to give grammar classes. Moving on, we started some free course to downtrodden students, the underprivileged students. Then we started organizing summer camp further years. We started taking students for trips where they can exercise their speaking abilities to foreigners, like places like Gaya, places like Patna, where they can find good English speaking people. So our motto was to give them expert scenario and expertise in their field, a complete exposure, so that they can franchise there or they can feel relaxed in talking to the other ones. So like this, every year we provide many things to the students and many new things we add in our institution's glorious annals, so that we can move on and we can remain constant in your mind for always. So this year I have decided that along with offline classes, we are going to take a heavy jump and will be taking heavy leap and will be providing online classes. Guys, I would like to tell you one thing, that among you, whoever have got the potential, have got the power, who can speak good in English and have got good understanding of English, I have planned along with these gentlemen that we'll be providing some doorstep delivery kind of concept. Means not only will be coming online to you, but also all of you who are great speakers of English and have got good knowledge of English, we are providing job placements as well. We are trying to go villages, we are trying to reach up to villages, and in villages we are searching for good candidates who can represent us over there, and those will be considered as center in charge or local correspondents, or you may say local teachers of there, and they'll be there done there and they will be teaching over there. And I, along with other my faculty members, as you can see, who are sitting over here, we have decided that one day in a week we'll be going over there and we'll be taking the classes. The maximum support from our side will be given to the students, especially to those who have got prodigy in them, who are different sorts of prodigy in their field. Some of them are related to physics background, some of are good at chemistry, some of them are good at biology, some of them can easily crack UPSC examination as well. But because they don't have benefits, they don't have luxuries, they are earning bread still, they are not able to earn their butter. So we are thinking for those society members as well to make them earn bread and butter plus fame and glory. And to do so, I am taking hints, tips, ideas, some sort of physical efforts, help, some sort of mental help, some sort of financial help from other ones, and we are trying to provide good educational environment so that the future of ours, the future of Biharis, I would like to mention over here, would be up to brightest side. As you guys have seen that these days some people who are returning from other states to our state, they are considered as migrant workers. This is a term, this term is really pinching my heart. Migrant workers, in Hindi pravasi mazdoor. How can they become pravasi? They are still associated with us. They are still a part of our state. They are still Biharis. They are living in our state. They are still uprooted and deeply rooted to our land. How can they be considered as migrant workers? This is the term that we people are using. And why is that so? Because they are mostly illiterate. They don't have money. They cannot do their startups. They are forced to migrate from here and go to the factories and earn 8 to 10,000 only and to live a miserable life. And their children never think to crack IIT. Their children never think to crack NEET. Or not to think about IIT or NEET. They don't even dare to go for a PN job of a PN in government sector. But Vijay sir and persons like him, A.K. Rai sir is here. We are trying to provide smallest amount, and in a smallest amount, great sort of course to them. We are providing career counseling and guidance to them, plus other stuffs, other educational environments. We are providing educational stuffs with them. I'm talking about stationaries and to some extent residential quarters as well. We are also looking forward to it, and if the God blesses, if the Almighty have some blessings on me, I'm really thinking towards to start a school where we can take 50-50 ratio. 50 would be definitely the upper caste, or I must say upper middle class family members who can donate us some money, because money is essential, money is needed. Without money, no one can run any organization. Unfortunately, I cannot run any organization. So we are looking forward to have 50-50 ratio. 50% of students will be selected from quiz contests, from some good exam results. We'll be selecting 50% of students from deprived community and will be giving them same facility as of the 50% of rich community. And by doing so, we will try and create a balance in society. And if there is a balance in society, I personally feel that our state has got enough knowledge power that we can still be among the futures of whole world in terms of knowledge. Yes, this would be the reality if you guys can support me, and if you guys cannot take it like a speech, and if you guys contribute my stuffs, contribute me a little bit so that I can make it true. And one day this dream will come true, and maybe from tomorrow I, along with as my partners, as I said, or I must say these dignitaries, I am looking forward to start. Even we have started yet another session in that. Yesterday I and Vijay sir went to a village named Dayalchak. There we started this thing, and we went there. I and A.K. Rai sir has also started few initiatives, and very soon we'll also be moving to the villages. And yes, money is necessary, as I have already said, but name and fame is also necessary. We have taken life in human being now. So human being does not live to earn only for his stomach, only for his belly. He has to leave something behind for his upcoming future, upcoming generations. So I have decided something. Sir has also suggested, Vijay sir has also suggested me to start writing a book. I am seriously looking forward to it so that I can also leave my name in the annals or in the history of education. So these are some of my plannings, and I need your blessings, I need your support, and if you guys can bless me and support me, definitely I will make this dream come true. And on students front, I would like to tell them, do not waste your time. The time has come where there is a cutthroat competition in every field, because after this lockdown period is over, there will be a plunge in everything. Economy is going to be in a negative sidewards, and if you really want to compete, you should not leave studies behind. You may have this idea that jobs will be cut, maybe some retrenchments will be there. Why not to start your own self? Having a startup idea, you can generate your own future. You can be job giver rather than being a job seeker. And if you have got the courage, you can definitely be among the IAS, IPS, IFS officers. And any one of you, by this video, I would like to tell you, those who are sitting or standing over here, and along with other ones, those who are listening to me right now, watching this video, I would like to tell you, any support from our side, if you think that we can help you, we are able to help you, we would love to help you. And this is my promise, ki whenever you come to me, whenever you come to Vijay sir, whenever come to Shoaib sir, whenever you come to A.K. Rai sir, will be giving you full support up to our best level possible way. With these words, again I would like to leave myself, and I would like to let the proceedings going on, because one or two students are still very eager to say something on this hour. So I would like to leave to Nisha now, and she will continue with her other words. Thanks for listening to me carefully.
Thank you, sir. I hope you guys all got it what he said. So next, I would like to invite a very intelligent boy of our institution, and he has done wonder at his age, Mr. Akash Kumar. So please, Mr. Aman Kumar. So please come on the podium and say something.
Thanks, Ms. Nisa, for inviting me. So here I am to deliver a speech on this gladful occasion. And before starting the speech, I would like to congratulate Ashish sir for his great achievement. That is the 15 years of fluency spoken English, means 15 years of this institution. And on starting the speech, firstly, I would like to have my short intro. So this is Zaman, pursuing in class 7th from DK Carmel. Right now I'm here, so means I am having a course of spoken English from Fluency Ara, and right now I am residing at Pakri Ara. and my hobbies are playing cricket and reading books. So this was my short intro, and on starting the speech I would like to have an example that as you might have seen that lotus, a beautiful flower, is also glows in the mud. So here from this example I want to say that this institution was established in the year of 2006 when there was no popularity of government jobs, and if I am not wrong, in 2006 almost 90 to 95% of the total population of this Ara district, or I can say Bhojpur district, speaks in Bhojpuri language, and then our Ashish comes and started speaking fluently in English. And I would also like to talk about Shoaib sir. I have taken only one class from him, but I am very impressed with him because about his pronunciation, how he pronounces words like an foreigner. Means he is the accent teacher of our institute, and now I want to deliver my speech on this institution. So my speech will be classified into 4 parts. First one is about fluency, and second is past of fluency, and third one is present of fluency, and the last one is the future of fluency. So firstly I would like to tell you that what fascinates me here in this institute. Right now I am delivering the speech on the podium. This is the first thing that fascinates me, because I think this podium is a confidence giving machine. Means who anyone comes there then can automatically gain confidence. And the second one is the motivating words of our director, or I can say the teacher, that is Ashish sir. How he motivates, I like those words, and after hearing those words I am very motivated. And this institution, I would like to the past of this institution. So it was established on 1st of June 2006. If I am not wrong, when this institution was started, there were 4 directors of it. First one was Mr. Rizwan Alam, second one Mr. Saz Alam, and the third one is Mr. R.K. Manohar, and the fourth one is our director sir, Ashish sir. And but the rest of the 3 directors left the institute very early, but Ashish sir has decided to continue it, and now you all are watching that where fluency is right now. It is touching the sky and going beyond and beyond. So with these words I want to come on the present. So I don't want to talk about the present. Means you come and hear and see how the present is. And here I also I want to say only one line, that if you have notebook beside you, then you can write one thing. If you have to be a good speaker of English, you have to join fluency, and then you will ask that why I trust on you. So let's have a tour on the all institutions of spoken English in Ara, and finally you will come to spoken English institute, that is fluency, and you will learn many things. And now I want to take example of mine. I have joined this institution in the month of November in 2019, and I have read to February 2020. After that the pandemic COVID-19 comes, but Ashish sir has decided to continue it and not to stop the education of the children and going online, and he decided to go online. So for the first 2 months he came on FB Live, means Facebook Live, without any fee. Means he is giving free of cost education, like Anand Kumar. As you might have known, Anand Kumar, an educationist and mathematician and in Ara, in Patna. And right now here in offline solution there are 3 types of courses are available. First one is initiative, moderate and advanced. I will tell you in detail after some words. So this institution is in Ara, and then you will ask, if I am not in Ara, then what do I do? So not to worry about it. Sir is going online on YouTube, and from today or tomorrow sir is starting the all 3 batches, means the initiative batch, the moderate batch and the advanced batch. If you have to know more about these batches, please contact on the number that is in the description box. And about future of fluency, right now sir has delivered a, what should I say, a heart-rending speech, and in that he tells everything about the online platform. Means he's going to teach online this year. So in future fluency is going to touch the sky, and it will be the only one institution, according to me, means it will be the only one institution of spoken English in Ara as well as Patna, and I can say in the nearest 4 or 5 districts. This will be the best institution of spoken English. With these words, I want to conclude my topic. Thanks for giving your valuable contribution.
That was a scintillating speech. Big round of applause to him. Now, okay. Now I would like to invite Mr. Vijay sir. Please come on the podium and say some lines about this institution.
पी लीजिए। मैं हिंदी में ही बोलूँगा। हिंदी में इसलिए मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ कि हमें इंग्लिश सीखनी है। मुख्य भाषा हम लोगों की हिंदी या भोजपुरी ही है। हम यहाँ आते हैं इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए, तो शुरुआत कहीं ना कहीं से होगी, या नहीं कि जो है ना हम लोग बहुत अंग्रेजी बोलने वाले हो गए। तो ये बात जाननी जरूरी है कि इंग्लिश हम लोग के लिए आवश्यक है क्यों। सबसे पहले इस पर हम लोग को ध्यान देना है। 2006 में जब आशीष बाबू इस इंस्टीट्यूट को शुरू किए, हिंदी में मैं इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ ताकि हमें ये मतलब हमारी मुख्य भाषा भोजपुरी है और हिंदी है। हमें भोजपुरी बोलनी आती है, हमें हिंदी बोलनी आती है, अंग्रेजी बोलनी तो हमें बिल्कुल नहीं आती। अब दुनिया में रूल करना है। साइंस की बहुत सारी किताबें इंग्लिश में ही हैं, मैथमेटिक्स की बहुत सारी किताबें इंग्लिश में ही हैं, हिंदी में हैं ही नहीं। जो भी डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है विदेशों में, बहुत सारे जो है ना देश मिल कर जो है ना अपना योगदान कर रहे हैं, और इंटरनेशनल लैंग्वेज के रूप में इंग्लिश को सारे लोग एक्सेप्ट कर चुके हैं। तो बाइलिंगुअल, हर देश जो है ना बाइलिंगुअल हो गया है। एक तो जो है ना उनकी अपनी भाषा, जैसे फ्रेंच हैं, वो लोग अपनी फ्रेंच भी डेवलप किए और उसको ट्रांसलेट करके इंग्लिश में किए। तो पूरे विदेश की भाषा जो भी चीज में डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है, चाहे जो है ना वह एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के रूप में हो, चाहे साइंस के रूप में हो, या कंप्यूटर के रूप में हो, किसी भी तरफ में हम जाएं तो हम लोग के पास हिंदी है या इंग्लिश है, फ्रेंच है या इंग्लिश है, अरबी है या इंग्लिश है। तो इंग्लिश जो है ना हम लोग के लिए सबसे जरूरी भाषा है। और यदि अगर इंग्लिश कमजोर है तो हम लोग की कहीं ना कहीं साइंस भी कमजोर है, हम लोग की कहीं ना कहीं एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन में भी कमजोर है। इंग्लिश में सामग्रियाँ बहुत ज़्यादा अवेलेबल हैं, और हम लोग अगर इंग्लिश को नहीं समझ पाते हैं, अपनी अभिव्यक्ति जो है ना इंग्लिश में नहीं कर पाते हैं कि हमें कहना क्या है, कैसे कहना है, तो हम लोग बिजनेस से लेकर हर चीज़ों में हम लोग पीछे हो जा रहे हैं। इंग्लिश की महत्ता इस समय साइंस से भी, हर चीज से भी ज़्यादा है। जीवन में जितना जल की महत्ता है, पानी के बिना कोई जिंदा नहीं रह सकता, उसी तरह से जो है लैंग्वेज में इस समय इंग्लिश की महत्ता बहुत बढ़ चुकी है। आशीष सर 2006 से आज तक क्राइसिस झेलते हुए भी, टीचर्स की कमी को भी झेलते हुए, अपने जो है ना 12 घंटा 14 घंटा जो है ना मेहनत कर कर के सारे बच्चों को आगे बढ़ाए। तो इसलिए ये बहुत बड़े धन्यवाद के पात्र हैं जो बिना पैसा कमाए जो है ना इस संस्था को यहाँ तक खींच कर लाए। इसमें से आज जो है ना, इसमें से बहुत सारे इनके स्टूडेंट आज बहुत अच्छे अच्छे जगहों पर पहुँचे हुए हैं। तो मैं इनका जो है ना बहुत बड़ा मतलब कि फैन हो गया हूँ, और मैं ये चाहता हूँ कि जो लोग फायदा उठाए, जो भी हो, जो 1% लोग फायदा उठाए, जो 0.01% लोग फायदा उठाए, अब जो है ना गांव के लोग, शहर के जो है ना बाकी लोग, जो कि मतलब कि दीप जल रहा है यहाँ पर जो है ना, वो क्या है कि औषधि है और हम लोग बीमार होकर पड़े हुए हैं। तो उस औषधि का उपयोग करने का वक्त आ गया है, ताकि जो है ना हम लोग अपने गुणों को चारों तरफ बिखेर सकें। साइंस में हम लोग अच्छा करें, हर चीजों में अच्छा कर सकें। कम्युनिकेशन में जो है ना, जब तक हम लोग जो है ना दूसरे देशों से कम्युनिकेट नहीं कर पाएंगे, हम अपनी बात उनके सामने रख नहीं पाएंगे, तो हम लोग जो है ना कैसे उन लोगों को हरा पाएंगे। हम लोग हमेशा अपने आप को इंफीरियर ही समझेंगे, या दूसरे की बातों को हम लोग कैसे सीख पाएंगे जब तक हम लोगों को उनकी बातें, उनकी आदतें, उनकी चीजों को हम लोग आत्मसात नहीं कर पाएंगे, तो हम लोग कैसे सीख पाएंगे। इसलिए यह बहुत आवश्यक है कि अंग्रेजी को जो है ना सीखी जाए और उन लोगों की भाषा में सीखी जाए। यहाँ पर बहुत सारे लोग अंग्रेजी सिखाते हैं, लेकिन क्या हो जाता है, वह यूं ढूल मूल नीति के अनुसार सिखाते हैं कि ये सीख लो, ये हो जाएगा, ऐसा हो जाएगा। तो वो आदमी परफेक्ट नहीं बन पाता है और वो डील नहीं कर पाएगा। डील नहीं कर पाएगा तो जो है ना कभी भी हम लोग नंबर 1 नहीं हो पाएंगे। नंबर 1 बनने के लिए यह जरूरी है कि हम दूसरे की भाषाओं को उन्हीं की तरह सीख लें, उनका दांव पेच और हमारा दांव पेच। यानी अगर उनका दांव पेच 10 है और मेरे पास जो है ना 3 भी दांव पेच है, तो मेरे पास 13 दांव पेच हो गया। उन लोगों को हम लोगों की भाषा सीखनी होगी। इसलिए मैं सारे लोगों से ये कहूंगा कि और मैं आशीष जी से यह भी कहना चाहूंगा, ठीक है, कि वो ऐसा कोर्स चलाएं जिससे लोगों को जो है ना पैसा देने में भी जो है ना बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम ना हो, गरीब लोग भी इसका फायदा उठा सकें। और हम लोग जितने भी हैं, गांव के लोग हैं, चाहे शहर के लोग हैं, चाहे जो भी भोजपुरवासी हैं, जो इस क्षेत्र के हैं, तो कम से कम हम लोग इनके प्रयास का जो है ना पूरा लाभ उठाएं। बस इस बात के साथ मैं अपनी बात को समाप्त करता हूँ।
Gave a spacious speech. Now I would like to invite Mr. A.K. Shah. Please come on to the podium and tell some lines.
यहाँ मौजूद तमाम शिक्षकगण और स्टूडेंट्स को मैं शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगा कि फ्लुएंजी इंस्टीट्यूट के ये 15वीं वर्षगांठ पर सभी लोग कोरोना वायरस के इस अपार संकट के बीच भी उपस्थित हुए हैं और ये सेलिब्रेशन मना रहे हैं। हम भी अपना स्पीच जो है वो हिंदी में देंगे, क्योंकि हम खुद यहाँ इंग्लिश सीखने आते हैं और थोड़ा सा हाथ मेरा तंग है इंग्लिश के मामले में। देखिए, एक बात सर हमको बोले थे कि हम लोगों ने ये फ्लुएंजी जो है ये स्टार्ट किया था 2006 में, तो बहुत सारे लोग हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए थे और बहुत स्टूडेंट्स और खुद टीचर्स लोग भी ये बात बोले। तो हुआ क्या कि देखिए, जो प्रॉब्लम्स क्रिएट हुए, क्योंकि एक बहुत बड़ा ये संघर्ष का दौर था 2006 में। वाजी, ये रियल बात है कि यहाँ भोजपुरी छोड़कर दूसरा भाषा बोला ही नहीं जाता था। आरा में ये सिचुएशन था कि जब लोग हिंदी बोलते थे तो उसमें भोजपुरी आता था, और उस बीच में सर ने ये एक साहस बनाया कि यहाँ के लोगों को इंग्लिश बोलना सिखाना है। और यहाँ तक कि बहुतों बच्चे जो सर के द्वारा पढ़े वो आज बहुत ही अच्छे मुकाम पर हैं। इसका रीजन यही है कि सर ने अटूट श्रद्धा और लगन से इस संस्थान को चलाया और बच्चों के पीछे अपना योगदान दिया। देखिए, होता क्या है कि कोई डिसीजन आदमी लेता है लेकिन उसके बाद वो उससे मुकर जाता है, क्योंकि समस्याएं बहुत सारी आती है। हम एक शायरी बोलना चाहेंगे कि मुश्किलों से भाग जाना आसान होता है, मुश्किलों से भाग जाना आसान होता है, हर पहलू एक जिंदगी का इम्तिहान होता है। डरने वाले को मिलती नहीं कुछ जिंदगी में, पर लड़ने वालों के कदमों में जहान होता है। तो इसके साथ हम ये बोलना चाहेंगे कि आशीष सर लड़ रहे हैं और एक ना एक दिन सारे बच्चे इनका अभिवादन उस स्तर पर करेंगे जिस स्तर पर बहुत बड़े बड़े हस्तियों का अभिवादन किया जाता है, और शिक्षा लाइन में ये बहुत आगे तक जाएंगे। उसके पीछे रीजन ये है कि ये बच्चों को बहुत श्रद्धा पूर्वक पढ़ाते हैं, कोई भेदभाव नहीं होता है इस इंस्टीट्यूट में, चाहे वो बच्चा धनी घर से बिलोंग करता हो या फिर गरीब का बच्चा हो या फिर अदर किसी भी कास्ट से हो, कोई कास्टिज्म यहाँ पर नहीं है। हर बच्चों को एक ही तरह का शिक्षा दिया जाता है, उनमें समरूपता व्यक्त की जाती है। साथ ही साथ हम लोग प्लानिंग कर रहे हैं कि जो भी बच्चे गांव में रह रहे हैं और जो अच्छे शिक्षा से नहीं जुड़ पा रहे हैं, उन्हें ऑफलाइन या ऑनलाइन या किसी अन्य तरीके से भी उनके पास जाकर हम लोग बेहतर शिक्षा दें। क्योंकि देखिए भाई, ये काम कुछ लोगों को पागल जैसा लगता है, बहुत सारे लोग कहते हैं ये सब लोग लगता है कि क्या कर रहे हैं नहीं कर रहे हैं। हम लोगों ने जब ये कार्य स्टार्ट किया या जब ये प्लानिंग किया तो बहुत सारे लोग बीच में बोले कि ये प्लान आप लोग का सक्सेस नहीं कर पाएगा और आप लोग बीच में छोड़कर भागने वाले हैं। हम लोग बोले ठीक है भाई, भागेंगे, लेकिन देखिए जो आदमी दृढ़ निश्चय नहीं करेगा, हाँ ये बात सही है, ऑनलाइन बच्चे नहीं पढ़ पाते हैं, ये बात हम भी मानते हैं और हम सब जगह जाकर पढ़ा भी नहीं सकते। अब ऐसा नहीं है कि हम आरा से हनुमान जी तो है नहीं कि हम यहाँ से उड़ेंगे चल जाएंगे भाई पटना पढ़ा देंगे, फिर उड़कर चले जाएंगे बिहटा वहां पढ़ा देंगे, ऐसा तो होने वाला नहीं है। ऑनलाइन बच्चों को सिखाना ही पड़ेगा, हाँ धीरे धीरे सीखेंगे, मुश्किल जरूर है लेकिन नामुमकिन नहीं है। इस काम को हम लोग करके दिखाएंगे और बहुत जल्द हम लोग ये काम करने वाले हैं। क्यों करने वाले हैं भाई? क्योंकि देखिए जो दृढ़ निश्चय करते हैं वही आगे भागते हैं, जो लोग सोचते हैं वो सोचते ही रह जाते हैं, सोचने रहने पर कुछ होगा नहीं। ऐसे भी कहा गया है कि जो सिरफिरे होते हैं इतिहास वही लिखते हैं, जो सिरफिरे होते हैं इतिहास वही लिखते हैं, समझदार लोग तो सिर्फ उसके बारे में पढ़ते हैं। अरे ये परख यदि करनी है हीरे का तो अंधेरे का इंतजार कर, वरना धूप में तो कांच के शीशे भी चमकते हैं। तो हम लोग वेट करेंगे, हम लोग उस ऊंचाई तक पहुंचने का इंतजार करेंगे, वो क्षण का इंतजार करेंगे जब लोग हमें जाने, उसके पहले हम लोग इसी तरह से संघर्ष करेंगे। और हम लास्ट में सभी बच्चों को ये बोलेंगे कि देखो भाई हम भी यहाँ पर इंग्लिश सीखने आए थे और बीच में हम छोड़ दिए। उसका रीजन क्या होता है कि बहुत सारे तकलीफें होती है। आप जब इंग्लिश बोलेंगे गलत बोलेंगे, बहुत सारे लोग कहते हैं गलत बोलता है, अरे भाई गलत बोलेंगे तब तो सही बोलेंगे, तो बोलने लोग नहीं देता। इसलिए जब भी आप आइए इंग्लिश बोलिए, कुछ बोलिए। अरे एक लाइन गलत बोलेंगे, 2 लाइन गलत बोलेंगे, 4 लाइन गलत बोलेंगे, किसी दिन भी तो सही बोलेंगे। हम मैथ्स के फैकल्टी हैं तो हम हिंदी मीडियम में पढ़ाते थे, आज हमको इंग्लिश में पढ़ाना पड़ रहा है और अच्छा खासा इंग्लिश में पढ़ा रहे हैं, क्योंकि वो मैथमेटिकल लैंग्वेज है, उसे हम जानते हैं, उसे हम सीखे हैं, तो उसे इंग्लिश में बोल लेते हैं। लेकिन थ्रू आउट इंग्लिश बोलने में आज भी हमें प्रॉब्लम होती है। तो उस चीजों को हम बेहतर कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि आप जब तक प्रयास नहीं करेंगे तब तक आगे बढ़ेंगे नहीं। और यहाँ के लोग हैं जो टांग आपका खींचेंगे, आप कुछ भी करेंगे वो पैर खींचेंगे, उनको पैर खींचने में मजा आता है। तो आप ऐसा ना सोचिए, आप हमेशा बेहतर की तलाश में रहिए। हम कहेंगे कि बेहतर से बेहतर का तलाश करो, बेहतर से बेहतर का तलाश करो, मिल जाए नदी तो समंदर का तलाश करो। अरे टूटते हैं शीशे पत्थर की चोट से, पर टूट जाए पत्थर ऐसे शीशे की तलाश करो। इसी बात के साथ हम अपने वाणी को विराम देंगे और बुलाएंगे कि नेक्स्ट जो बोलने वाले बच्चे हैं उन्हें इनवाइट किया जाए।
Thank you, A.K. Rai sir. I hope you all enjoyed it. And he also gave a splendid speech. Now I want to request Mr. Shoaib sir, please come onto the stage and say some lines.
A very good afternoon to all of you. I hope you are enjoying it well. I welcome you all in the 15th anniversary of this institute, and it has been a great year too, but due to some pandemic we are having some sort of problem, but it is still showing great engagement online. So now I would like to let you know that how and what has been the journey of this institute. Actually, this got started in 2006, as you all know, and I'm very much happy, or I'm getting much pleasure in letting you know that everything is fine till now, and we have achieved a milestone in the education of spoken English. And talking personally about our director of this institute, he has got a great personality, as you know, and he has been serving this institute from the very beginning when others all left this institute. He took his burden on his shoulders and started teaching all of you. And the student who have studied here has put their mark on top, because they have been serving somewhere in companies, somewhere in society, somewhere even in villages, and they are having their presence in their society and in their company as well. I would also like to tell you that this time it has been successful year if you talk about 2019, because we have served many of the students where potential of the students has increased. Means we have got talented student from our batches. Like, I don't want to take a name of the students because they are doing well and they do know their name as they have shown their talent here. And basically there are many students who have done their works as per their level best. And not to forget to give a special thanks to your teachers personally about Ashish sir, who has motivated you during this pandemic, that is COVID-19. So let me tell you, don't stop learning, because it's a process until you are alive, and you will be very much successful in the coming scenario if you have got some skills. It may be related to every aspect of the fields. Like if you start your own business, if you have got the potential to teach the student, you have got the ability to teach the student, or if you can speak, because the coming scenario is going to be very tough, and it will definitely there will be a slightly fall in our economy, as we have been showing. There are many job cut-ups, many employees are being thrown away, or they have been given target. If they do not achieve, they will be expelled out from their respective organizations. But if you have got the potential ability to do anything, okay, you will be at your position. Like you can have your own startup. You can, as Sir said, there are many opportunities even in pandemic, because it has made you reliant yourselves that you can do anything, because no one has helped you in this scenario. So you are much aware about your ability, your skills, and you will definitely show your potential in coming days, and it will be a great achievement in your life. And for this joy, I always wish that our institute grow by leaps and bounds. And it is growing too fast, I must say, and a student also going in a great way. And in coming days, it will serve as a community, as it is going on. We have to make a community where we can have our own name. You can also grow up. You can also make your institution name up to the top level. So I wish everything goes on normalcy in coming 20 or 30 days. For this, I wish my institute happy journey always and always and always. Thank you. Thank you. Once again, I would like to tell you that the courses we have, and we are pleased to have the courses before you so that you can understand what they are. We actually take three types of courses we provide you. That is initiative, second one is moderate, and third one is advanced. Here, initiative makes a clear view of for those students who are having no knowledge of English, means they do not know even ABC of English. For those students, we provide this course. We provide this course, and in this course, we let the student know about each and every aspect of English we teach, from the very beginning, from the very grammar up to the maximum level of pronunciation, that is all about phonetics. The second one is moderate. The second term is moderate, where it is established for those students who have some knowledge about English, like they do speak, they can have their introduction, but they feel that they want to learn, that they feel I have to grow in English. For those students, our moderate course provides them a structured path. If they follow, they will definitely get benefited. And the third one is advanced, for those students who are having their spoken part, but they feel hesitated before someone, like they do not talk in group, they do not talk to some a special kind of person, like if you are in group discussion or somewhere else where it is needed. For those students, we create an environment where only the students who speak English are engaged, and they can show their caliber over there. And this institute is always providing this sort of courses according to the ability, understanding, and the power of the students. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Shoaib sir. I hope you will understand what he said about these courses, about this institute. Again, I would like to invite Mr. Ashish sir. He tells something about this course, about the courses and upcoming courses.
उन लोगों को ग्लास दीजिए, पानी के ग्लास। ये भी रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं आप, बहुत बढ़िया कर रहे हैं। Okay, so Shoaib, please take the seat. Everyone is getting late, and unfortunately this event went on to be a talk show. We didn't accept that कि this thing will get too long, but unfortunately 3 महीने से हम लोग बंद पड़े हुए थे, तो सबका गुबार निकला, वो निकलना ही था. And why am I speaking in Hindi now? Because अभी तक बहुत इंग्लिश हो गई. So let's come to some concrete point जो हम लोगों ने अभी तक बोला. पहली चीज़ तो ये कि जो 3 कोर्सेज हैं वो तो हैं ही. एक वीकर सेक्शन ऑफ सोसाइटी, जो एक कमज़ोर बच्चे उनके लिए 6 मंथ्स का कोर्स हमारा है ही. एक 4 मंथ्स का कोर्स जो ठीक ठाक बंदे उनके लिए है ही. और एक 2 मंथ्स के कोर्स हम लोगों ने चला रखे हैं उन लोगों के लिए जिनकी इंग्लिश काफ़ी अच्छी है, बट उनको थोड़ा सा पॉलिशिंग की ज़रूरत होती है, लाइक Shoaib sir had said. But we have now decided to provide online 1 year free course to everyone, especially for the district Bhojpur resident. Those who are the residents of Bhojpur district, we are going online free classes for them specially. उनके लिए अगर ज़रूरत पड़ी तो we are gonna create special channels, special batches, and will be providing 1 year free term to them. 1 साल पूरा उन लोगों के लिए हम लोग करने जा रहे हैं, especially those कैंडिडेट्स हु बिलोंग टू द विलेज साइड ऑफ भोजपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट। एक और चीज मैं हिंदी में इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ कि आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क गार्डियंस, मैं गार्डियन से एक रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूंगा कि जो छोटे बच्चे होते हैं ना वो जल्दी सीखते हैं। आप लोगों ने देखा होगा जो भी गार्डियनशिप में आगे होंगे कि छोटे बच्चे बहुत तेजी से सीखते हैं। सो आई वुड लाइक टू रिक्वेस्ट, मैं गार्डियन से रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूंगा कि जब भी आपके बच्चे 3 to 4 क्लास में तक पहुंच जा रहे हैं ना, आप उनको भेजें, क्योंकि मेरे पास एक टाइनी टॉट्स ग्रुप चलता है, उसमें जो है हमारे यहाँ जो अच्छी बंदियां हैं वो टीच करती हैं छोटे बच्चों को, और एक हमारा बैच चलता है जिसमें केवल स्मॉल किड्स आते हैं। अभी तो हमारे पास जो आ रहे हैं वो 1 क्लास के और नर्सरी क्लास के भी किड्स आ रहे हैं। वी आर ट्राइंग टू टीच देम इंग्लिश एज वेल, क्योंकि फ्यूचर पर्सपेक्टिव को नजर रखते हुए। तो मैं गार्डियन से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा स्पेशली कि वो 3-4 क्लास तक में से बच्चों को भेजना शुरू करें, स्पेशली अगर वो विलिंग कर रहे हैं कि उनके बच्चे सैनिक स्कूल वगैरह में जाएं, तो क्लास 6 का जो पोटेंशियल है वो तैयार कर सकते हैं हम लोग अगर वो हमारे पास जल्दी भेजते हैं। तो ये सारी हमारी योजनाएं हैं और इन सारी चीज़ों पर हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं, और जितनी सफलता मिलनी होगी वो मिलेगी ईश्वर की कृपा से। और बहुत ज़्यादा टॉक शो से न बनाते हुए, तो आई एम फाइनली कमिंग टू द कंक्लूसिव पार्ट ऑफ दिस थिंग। And again, I would like to thank all my students who came here, to Vijay sir, to AK Rai sir, to Shoaib sir, who gave us precious time from their busy schedule। अपने busy schedule में से जो precious time निकाल के उन लोगों ने हमें दिया इस pandemic disease के भी अंदर में। So it's definitely, I'm really very grateful and honored for you all। And with these words only, I would like to say कि we'll keep on running with the same speed, and next year इसी वादे के साथ कि फिर होगी मुलाकात अगले साल। I'd like to say a very big pranam and thank you to all the listeners। धन्यवाद। चलिए, thank you।
Thank you. You all are listened carefully what sir said, and it is our last session. I think I have to finish. I think we have to finish here. And thank you all. You all are participating in this function, and you understand thoughts of our guest. And thank you very much.